Using caulk when replacing roof shingles is essential to stop water from getting under new shingles and to protect the roof deck and framing. When replacing shingles, we must prioritize a continuous weatherproof barrier by sealing exposed nail holes, seams, and any gaps where shingles meet flashing or roof penetrations. Use a high-quality roofing caulk formulated for exterior use and compatible with asphalt shingles and metal flashing. These products remain flexible and resist ultraviolet degradation, so they keep sealing through thermal movement. Apply caulk generously to each nail hole and to any damaged or rotted wood after drying and removing loose material, then press caulk into the void so it compacts rather than merely sitting on the surface. For underlayment edges and the underside of replacement shingles, run a thin bead that will be compressed when the shingle is installed, making sure the bead is continuous and not broken by debris. When working around flashing and vents, lift the shingle tabs gently and lay caulk under the edge where water could track, and use extra sealant at the top and sides of flashing transitions to create a lap that water cannot follow back under the shingle. Allow the caulk to skin over according to the manufacturer before exposing it to rain, and avoid painting over roofing caulk unless the product states painting is acceptable, because some formulations will not bond to paint. Common mistakes include using the wrong type of caulk, which can crack or deteriorate quickly, so choose a product labeled for roofing and exterior movement and test compatibility on a scrap if uncertain. Another issue is insufficient coverage, where small dots of caulk are placed instead of continuous beads, which lets water follow a path under the shingle. Remedy this by running continuous beads on nail holes, along laps, and under tabs so compression creates a sealing contact. A third concern is trapping wet or rotten wood under caulk, which hides underlying damage and allows rot to continue. Remove and replace compromised sheathing or decking, and let surfaces dry before applying caulk so the seal is laid on sound material. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and gives contractors another way to find projects in the neighborhoods they serve. We host a discussion community where homeowners and tradespeople exchange practical tips, post project photos, and ask and answer real-world questions about roof repairs and best practices.